here we go again. Another mailroom run today, and we have what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packages. Yes, 6 packages, and everything is free. I'm doing it, so can you? Not hard. Just take time, patience, and consistency. So let's get it. It's 2024. Let's get that bad baby. So let's see what's in these packages today. Let's start with this one right here. This one is a wig here. So one wig. Package number 2 is another wig. Yeah, another wig. And we have package number 3. Another wig. Here we have it. We have this. This is a drone. I got this for my nephew. I think he's gonna love it. So here we go. You all have kids? You can get this for them for free as well. It's not all about us. Have to get something for the kids as well. And then this one has 2 wigs. Actually, I think this as well. This one is some bundles. Yeah, there we go. I'll show you what we like in a few. And then we have another wig. So in total, I have 4 wigs and a set of bundles. And then last but not least, I got another mannequin head. So there we have it. 4 wigs, some bundles, mannequin head, and the drone. So there we have it, people. So as I've said before, it's not hard. I'm doing it. You can do it too. This is my first time to mail, and I have more stuff on the way.